Hey, California staffing professionals. This is David Searns, co-CEO with Haley Marketing, and I am thrilled to be coming back out to the CSP conference this year. And we're going to talk a little bit about AI in staffing. And the talk is titled "You're Doing AI Wrong: How to Get More Value Out of AI." But it's going to be a really awesome session. We're going to look at some of the many, many use cases of AI in marketing, my area of expertise, and then also in staffing in general. I'm going to show you kind of a mind-blowing example of how you can clone yourself with AI. And then we're going to get into specific use cases, but then we're going to get to the real meat of the presentation where you're going to get a chance to do some practice. So bring your laptops because I'm going to show you a better way to use AI to get the kind of results you want. And I'm going to promise you a really fun drink menu that you're going to get as a result of attending. I'm also going to give you access to some custom GPTs that our team created to help automate some of your marketing AI content creation. Okay, so I'm looking forward to seeing you at the CSP conference as we get into the weeds and talk about how AI can help make a big difference for you and your companies. See you soon.